Hey there guys, and welcome to the first episode of Tech Engineered. This is a new channel that I'm thinking about trying out, but for the first episode I want to show you guys something really cool, and that's the quick and easy backup feature within Windows 10. Okay, to get started, we're going to go ahead and click on the Start menu, and go ahead and hop right into that Settings menu. So within Settings, there are a bunch of options, the different categories of things that you can change. We're going to want to go to Update and Security. Then under Update and Security, there should be a backup. And then you're going to want to add a backup drive. So to do this, you're going to need a drive that you're going to back up all of your files to. And this can be a small drive if you don't have that many. I would recommend usually about a 1 terabyte drive. I'm only going to be using an 80 gig drive because I don't have a lot of files, and this is one that I snagged out of a PlayStation, and I'm basically going to be putting all my essentials on it. So I'm going to go ahead and click Add a Drive. It'll see, hey, you got a drive that's like not being used, so I'm going to be like, hey, pick that one, and I already named the drive Backup. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and click on More Options because I don't necessarily want it to back up everything. So we're going to go ahead and go through and basically remove the folders that I don't use, such as OneDrive, games, stuff like that. And we're going to add some folders, and I'll show you guys how to do that. So basically, to remove a folder, you just click on it, you hit that remove button, and it goes away. And then we're just going to go ahead and go through and remove all the ones that I don't need. So now that I basically have the list whittled down to the basic libraries plus contacts and the desktop, I'm going to go ahead and add a drive that I want to be backed up. So how I'm going to do that is I'm going to click Add a Folder, navigate to my mass storage drive, because that's where the folder is that I want to be backed up. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the folder, which is YouTube's, which is my archive of YouTube videos from the various channels that I've done in the past and I'm currently working on. So then that one's added right there, so it'll be backed up. And you can also exclude folders, so like say you want to add like your documents folder, but you want to be like, but I don't want to have the Battlefield 1 folder backed up. You can click to exclude that folder, and then it won't be backed up. But I think I want everything in all those libraries, so we're going to go ahead and tell it to back up now. And this could take a little bit, so we're going to let this run and get all backed up. Okay. Now that we finished the preliminary backup, we need to set our schedule, which the default every hour works fine for me, and we also need to set how long it should keep the backups. Since this is such a small drive, I'm going to go ahead and set that for until space is needed, just because I don't want to run out of space and have it just like stop backing up my files. So now that we have all that set, we should be good to go. Back out, and it's turned on, ready to go. And all your files will be backed up. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial, and if you like the channel, go ahead and subscribe to it. If you like this video, go ahead and like it, and this is kind of an experiment, so we'll see how it goes. See you guys in the next video.